What's the real reason behind the mysterious presence of the B-21 in international seas? The recent presence of the United States' newest stealth aircraft, the B-21 Raider, in international sea territory has sparked excitement and speculation from various parties. Not only the media, but the global military community has also highlighted the aircraft's unusual movements. Known as the next generation of the B-2 Spirit, the B-21 was developed for long-range covert missions. But what exactly was behind its appearance in such an unusual area? Initial reports suggest that it was spotted over the international waters of the Pacific Ocean, flying in an unusual pattern with no overt escort from other fighters. Many wondered, why would a high-tech strategic aircraft be placed in a location so vulnerable to enemy surveillance? Was this part of a routine military exercise or a deliberate act of reconnaissance? The Pentagon does claim that the B-21 is undergoing long-range test flights to measure its capabilities in transcontinental operations, but the location and timing raise doubts. Tests are usually conducted in safe zones, close to U.S. military bases, not in neutral waters open to foreign satellite observation. This led many analysts to believe there was an ulterior motive behind the mission. Some intelligence sources suggest that the B-21's presence could be related to China's increased military activity in the South China Sea. The aircraft may be used to collect radar and communications data as part of electronic intelligence operations. Its unannounced presence could be a covert show of force to rival countries. But there is also speculation that the mission is not just reconnaissance, but a simulated intrusion into enemy territory without being detected. The B-21 is designed to penetrate the most advanced air defense systems, and exercises like this will be crucial to find out how effective its latest stealth technology is. On the other hand, some experts believe that this is just part of a larger diplomatic strategy. In the modern military world, technological demonstrations are not just for war, but also to showcase capabilities to the world. The presence of the B-21 in international waters could be interpreted as a signal to allies and adversaries that America still holds air dominance. Many also suspect that this event is related to testing the enemy's response. In other words, the U.S. military may have deliberately flown the B-21 into open territory to provoke reactions from other countries. The resulting radar responses, radio communications, and military movements will be invaluable to analyze later on. In the context of global geopolitics, this mission may be part of a grand calculation against future threats. With tensions continuing to rise in the Indo-Pacific region, America appears to be preparing for multi-layered conflict scenarios that require strategic air power with global reach. It is also important to note that the B-21 Raider is no ordinary aircraft. It is designed to carry nuclear as well as conventional weapons, therefore, its every move, while seemingly simple, is bound to have major implications. Its presence in international seas, without any detailed explanation, opens up a wide room of interpretation full of political and military nuances.